Hi and a very good day to everyone. In this video, I want to show you about how to create a winding staircase for your Revit project. Okay, and for this tutorial, I will just use the basic architecture sample project file that I have given by Autodesk. And you can see this landing here. So that I have modeled. So this way we will place our additional winding staircase for the project. Okay. First step, we go to the level 2 for plan view. Okay, and then you can see here our landing. And the next thing, we want to sketch a set of lines for our staircase basis. Okay, the first task is just to lay out the shape in the plan so that we can model our winding staircase easily by using that lines. Okay, so first we go to annotate and click the detail line or DL, and then go to the draw panel and see the start and radius arc and select. And then go to the midpoint of our landing or your landing for your project file, and then click at the midpoint, and then you stretch your line to 135 degrees snap point and to 3.3 meters length. Okay, 3.3 meters length or 3300 millimeter. Okay, so stretch here the line. Okay, and then snap. You can see here the snapping point of 90 degree. Okay, so you can just over your mouse and then left click it, then click escape once. Then next you pick the pick lines button, then go to offset, type 600, and hover your mouse to the line 1, and then secondly to the other side of the line, first outside or inside. So you must hover your line properly. Okay, so make sure it have both inside and outside arc of the center line. Then next we want to draw the line. Okay, the line to close the boundary, and then make sure offset to 0, back, and draw here. Okay, and click escape twice. So now we have drawn the skeleton shape of our winding staircase using detail lines. Okay, and then the next task is we want to model staircase. Okay, after set of boundary, we will want to draw the run. Okay, the run for the staircase. So the run we will use the array command. Okay, first we go to the inside arc lines here, pick, and then you can see the properties. You choose the center mark visible. So you can see the center mark is visible here. We'll just move here. Okay, you can see the center mark. This is important as for our next step for creating array and also creating arrays for the run. Okay, next we want to create the run. We click this line here, the bottom, click, and then pick the array button or AR. Then you choose the radial, tick the group and associate box. For number, type 18, move to, pick last, and then center of rotation, pick place. So we want to place the center of rotation here. The recent center mark visible that we from the inside arc here. So just click here, make sure it is the center, and then for the first point, draw down the line. Then second point, pick this line 90 degree. Then enter. So we got our staircase run. Then we can begin modeling the stairs. Okay, so we go to architecture tab, and then you see the stair button. So, and then first we go to the properties, click edit tab, pick for the family, we pick the cast in place, then got monolithic stair. So you can duplicate and then type winding stair. Then go to the construction category. We have front tab here, and you pick you select the triple dot button here. Then see a menu, and then duplicate. Okay, and then we tick the thread and also the riser. Then for thread thickness 50 mm. Then for the thread material, we can change to any material that you want. So for this tutorial, just pick cherry here. Okay, and then for riser material, also the same. Then for the thread category, for nosing profile, I just use the profile available here, so we can choose the nosing profile. For apply nosing profile, so we just front, left, and right. Then riser and then slanted if you want slanted. Then okay. Now we have changed the run type to 150 mm depth 2. Okay, so that's all. Then scroll down to the supports category, and then for the right support we choose the garage open, and then in the garage 50 mm width you see the triple dot button also, and then you can click that, then you can duplicate. Okay, and then you change the material. Okay, here click OK. Also for the left support, garage open, and then choose the material type for width 2, the reason that we have created. Okay, then click OK to go back to the model. Okay, now we want to draw the model. Then the draw panel, on the draw panel we choose the create sketch. So for custom shape of stairs, we must choose the create sketch button. For otherwise, the conventional shape for straight line and radial, spiral, and also center ends, and also the L shape, the U shape, we have the default button. But other than this conventional shape, we can just use this create sketch, so we can create a custom shape for the stair. Okay, click, then you see the boundary, riser, and stair path. Make sure to select the boundary, and we choose the pick line button, and select the boundary line, the outside and also the inside here. Okay, then next go to riser and choose this pick line button also, then pick the riser line that we have arrayed, and we go to tab, then okay. Then the next step is we must draw the stair path. also pick line pattern and pick the center arc here. Okay, now we have drawn a set of staircase modeling sketch. Okay, then we can click finish sketch here. Okay, now we have finished the sketch command. So then we go to railing. You can choose your railing profile, none, or default, or the specific type of profile that they have loaded. So basically I will just stay to default and make sure to position the position on the threads. Okay, we want to position the railing on the threads and click OK. And then lastly, go to properties again to check the base level, change to level 1, and the top level go to level 2. Okay. And click finish the staircase command. Okay, now go to 3D. You can see here our staircase, but it is in the wrong direction. Okay, so what you can do, how you want to change it? Okay, just click the staircase, then you see the edit stairs button, and in the modify create stair tab here, the blue one, you see the flip button. You just click the flip button, so it will flip perfectly to your landing. Then finish. All right, so here we go, our winding staircase. Realistic here, so you can see the material. Basically for the profile here, the nose and the shoulder railing, we can also modify it, but for this tutorial I want just to show you the workflow or step to create a winding staircase. For the custom railing system, stay tuned for the next video. So that's all from me for this tutorial. Thank you.